Drop the strap. There you go, Heather. Good. Other side. Nice your hips. Oh, that was just great. There you go, Heather. That drop for me. Oh man, yeah, there you go. Good. Pull back over. Oh my goodness. God. Again, this is that first rib I'm getting at. It's great for shoulder, neck. That was a little baby one. That rolled right way. Oh, God, that was a big one on you, big guy. The other side. I'm gonna go get your upper back out on the other one. I might do that occipital lift on you too, because your right occiput was a little. Oh. Got an easy this way. Good, nice and take a breath in and out. Oh yeah. Ooh. Good. Nice. Good little baby one there at the end there. Good. Oh, good.
Right. All the way out. Beautiful. Perfect. Nice. Good. Let's relax. Oh. You okay? He's got a stone face. I like that. One more. Oh. See how tight it was on this side? Again, there's an auxiliary nerve in here.
Just move that. Just like that. Wow. Oh, great.
Yeah. There we go. Just let that relax there for me. Oh. That a boy.
Yeah, that felt great.
Breathe out for me right there. All the way down there. Oh, that a boy. Now lay on your back. That's it. Oh. Let me back up for me.
Put my hand here and I'm going to roll you over toward me and put some extra pressure there. You might feel here a little click, crack, or pop. Good. And we're going to come a little bit lower on this side. Good. And let's go face out. And then I'm going to do a little pull with it.
I want you to relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay. You see the difference from a professional versus amateur?
Oh yeah.
All right, relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right here for me. Relax your body. Good. Relax right here for me. Good. Go ahead and go back to center. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Completely inhale. Breathe in. All the way out. Good. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Okay. I want you to lay on your side out. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
This was great.
Right here. Good. That is the point. Right here. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Very good. Legs right here. Good. Good.
All the way out. Good. Nice. One more. There it is. Whew. All the way out. Good. Relax. Good. One more. There it is. My goodness, you're tight. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, the more relaxed, the better. There we go. Deep breath. All the way out. Actually, hold on. Put this down just a little bit. There we go. Deep breath again. All the way out. Good. Relax this. Relax this. Relax. Good. One more. There it is. Oh, there it is. You okay?
Yeah.
One more.
Okay, keep breathing. Yes, sir. Yep, Crack Addict's gonna love you. Okay. Okay, let me get one more here. Keep breathing. There it is. You who don't know, let this leg go limp. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your low back. Vertebral subluxation is, yeah. There you go. Oh yeah. So, was that a little different than the traction machines?
Yeah, lots of different.
Did you feel it all the way down?
Yes.
Yep. I did. I just wanted you to say it for our YouTube fans.
There you go. There you go. The last one will roll tight. All the way out. Good. Good. One more. There we go. One more. There it is. You okay?
Yep.
I'm gonna get a different way in this one. This side up, his upper back is really tight. So we're gonna remove some, but nothing like your other side. You ready? Deep breath for me, buddy. All the way out. Nice. Whew. You alright? Yeah. All the way. There it is. Nice. Yep. Good. So we're gonna put motion in there. Ready? Deep breath. Nice. Good. One more. You okay? There it is. Whew. That's what I wanted. He's got that smile on his face. Let's go face.
You're good. Ready, March? I got you. T6. Home run. There it is. Gotcha. Drop that right here. There we go. Gotcha.
And then, yeah, just relax. Oh yeah, boy, that was a home run.
Oh, yeah.
I don't have to ask twice if you felt that one all the way down.
No, you don't.
There. Okay, I got you. Oh yeah. Good. Okay. Well, my feet about leave the ground adjusting you, Griffin. Yeah, you tight as a rail today. Okay. There you go. I think we'll have to name this one Old Man Strength versus Young Man Strength. There you go, super. Feel that all the way up?
I did.
Good.
You're doing really good. Oh, great. Push back. Good. Roll towards me.
Beautiful. Open up his. Beautiful. Give me the Nice. Land your back. Release. Nice. Beautiful. Deep breath. Out slow. Lean back. Look up. There it goes.
Very good.
Good. There we go. Oh, man. Good. Beautiful. That was the most that's gone. Yep. That side, yeah.
So
Just relax on the table. Here we go. Doing okay so far? Mm-hmm. All right. Perfect. All right, doing okay so far?
yeah.
All righty. Twisty up here. There we go. Nice and heavy. Very good. Really.